Alright, so an alternative method for finding extra keywords for your search campaign and for your Amazon listing is to actually just use the Amazon website. So we're going to go back to Amazon.com, and in the search bar, what we're going to do is we're going to start typing the keyword that we're going to be using, and it's going to give us suggestions based on that keyword. So if we start typing sleep, like we did before, it's going to start suggesting sleeping bag, sleep aid, sleep sack, sleep mask, sleep styler. So words like aid, sack, mask, styler, pad, mask for woman, those are things we can use in our keywords. Sleep ping, and we can just go further like this: sleep ing mask, sleeping pad, sleeping pill, sleeping bags for kids, sleeping bags for camping, sleeping queen, sleeping beauty DVD, sleeping, and you can just keep going like this until you get all the way through your main keyword. And you can just use all those things, compile it into an Excel document or into a Word document, and then just save it. Now, with Amazon, you don't have to keep saying sleeping bags kids, sleeping bags for camping, sleeping bag liner, sleeping bag stuff sack. So you don't have to repeat the word sleeping bag. What Amazon does is it takes the keywords in your listing, which you'll see when we create the listing, when we add our keywords to our listing, that you only need to put the keyword in once. And Amazon will take all the keywords in your listing and compile them together to make long tail keywords. So if you have sleeping bag just once in your keywords in the back end of your listing, and then you have kids for camping, liner, stuff sack, and adults all separate, Amazon will take those words and combine them to make their own search terms. So what we can do is then we can actually search for sleeping bag, and then just look at other listings as well. So for example, the very first listing: lightweight, portable, waterproof, comfort with compression sack, traveling, camping, hiking, outdoor activities. Those are all keywords that we want as well. So copy those and save them into a document. Warm, weather, let's have a look what else. Again, sleeping bag, lightweight again, easy to compress, envelope sleeping bags, mummy sleeping bag. So I've seen a lot of listings with the word mummy in it, which is the shape of the sleeping bag. So we want identifiers like shape, color, size. So small, medium, large, extra large, big, tiny, maybe square, circular, mummy, rectangular, all kinds of different identifiers like that. Then colors: blue, black, green, whatever colors they are. These are identifiers for the individual products. So we're going to go through each of these. Single, in compression we've got. Hiking, they've spelt wrong. Camping, forbidden. Road, portable. So then what we can do is we can open one of these listings, and in the listing you can look for other examples of keywords either in their description, so maybe like durable, skin friendly, easy to clean, comfortable, extreme weather. And then we're going to scroll down, and again you're just going to take these keywords and compile them into a document. And then we're going to use them on our listing. And then what we can do is we can scroll down, and where it says customers who bought this item also bought, and these are suggested items that essentially go with this product. And we can use identifiers and keywords from these other products which essentially relate to the industry, which we're going to be using the camping industry, because these are sleeping bags and that's where most people use them. So let's take a look at what else they've got from other: foam padding, superior insulation, tent. You could even use tent because that relates, and if somebody searches for tent, they see sleeping bag, they might be like, okay, I need a sleeping bag as well for this camping trip, and they'll buy your product. Sleeping pad, green and navy, there's color options, those are color identifiers. Camping, lantern, outdoor, footprint, camping mattress, self-inflating sleeping pad. So these are all keywords again that we're going to just use, using Amazon, compiling to a document, and we'll use them in the back end of our product listing.